Hey guys, welcome back to the Vocast Tech. So guys, in this short video I am going to show you how you can enable 5G mode on your iPhone. Make sure your carrier supported to 5G. So let's jump to the settings app. After that, select simply cellular data. Okay, you can see option showing here. Simply select the cellular data option, tap on it. Now you can see appears on screen voice and data, this option. Select this. Now you need to select 5G on and 5G auto. Basically 5G on, when your carrier find the 5G, it will automatically connected to the 5G, and if you select the 5G auto, this always be using your 5G. Okay, make sure 5G may impact battery life and reliability of some voice calls and data. So basically 5G will take your iPhone battery draining very fast. That's it.